Find the value of x and classify the triangle by its angles. We know that the sum of measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write equation that we have given here 45 degrees, 65 degrees, 45 degrees plus 65 degrees plus the third angle is x degrees is 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 45 plus 65 is 110 plus x is equal 180. So I will move 110 to right side. So we have x is equal 180 minus 110. So x is equal 70. So the third angle has 70 degrees. The measure of third angle is 70 degrees. We found x. Next, we have to classify our triangle by its angles, because we have here 45, 65, 70 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So every angle is acute angle. It means that we have here acute triangle. Why? One more time, because these three angles are acute angles. That's why we have acute triangle. This is my solution.